I'm David Wahl with Wahl Family Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about the Rheem Tankless water heater that we just installed. These are a fantastic product. Rheem's a family-owned and operated company just like Wahl. And with this product, not only do we do a fantastic job, as you can see with the installation, but it is a great product and it has a lot of benefits for our customers. One of the things is endless hot water. Once we put one of these in for a typical single family home, you don't have to worry about running out of hot water. You can run your dishwasher, your washing machine, you can have 2 showers going all at the same time. This thing is a champ. It will keep up and it won't run out of hot water. On top of that, it's way more efficient than a standard tank water heater, burning gas at over 95% efficient. And with that, it's also not storing any water. So there's no tank if you're on vacation or if you're not using water as much this week as you were last. There's no storage here. So it's only activating as soon as you open your faucet and are using hot water. As you can see with the Wahl installation, we use all premium copper tubing. It's a rigid ProPress installation, so there's no torches or smells or foul gases in your home when we install it. We're going to do a really clean job on the install and we'll make sure your home's cleaner than it was whenever we leave. If you have any questions or are interested in getting more information about the Rheem Tankless water heater, please give us a call at 1-855-GET-WAHL. You can find us online at 1-855-GET-WAHL.com.